FIG stock analysis and price predictions for tomorrow, Monday, next week. Is it a buy? This is exactly how my FIG stock analysis and FIG stock prediction is looking like. Pretty, actually, like it's pretty bullish lately, and I really like it. Volume's been kind of basically steady, which I mean it's fine. For quick scalp, this is totally fine. We have a very one-directional market. I mean, with Figma, I also do have like 16 receipts in the Discord. I really like these kind of lower time frame scalps because if you just have like a correct management game, then you can cut something really big. For example, like I mean, in trading, there's two games. You obviously have to get inside a trade, and then you have to manage the trade. And if you want my exact real-time updates and everything, again, not financial advice, link is in the description. It's a join the Discord community, like 500 people are already inside. But the only thing that will make me be bullish here, right, ultimately will be just a little bigger push to the downside. I'm not saying this in a way where I'm just going to immediately start buying here. Yeah, that's not the point. I like to see the price correct down and give me the confirmations just below the moving averages, right? Just so I can catch like a solid move. Otherwise, I'm not forcing anything. So that's Figma. If you want to get my exact 3-step technical strategy that I've refined over the last 5 years completely free, link is in the description. Bye-bye.